That's it. There you go.
A little over me now.
Let her up. There you go. There you go.
Like,
No, her.
shower them, go ahead. I know, big time.
He looks like Angelus.
Make sure he has enough space.
You notice how he's breathing through his nose? It's gotta be. It's gotta be. You know what? Every time he's at home, his nose is runny. He can't sleep. Like he'll go. Can't breathe through his nose. But
He did that here in the beginning though too. He was doing that a while ago. He was like.
And I also think maybe it's because he's got a runny nose and it's cold in his room that it just keeps getting
Clogging it.
Well, if you got a cold nose and if the room is cold and you're breathing, you're still gonna keep the fever. Not Easy, relax, Tiger. Relax, Tiger. There's Tiger. I think it's smaller. Is the office smaller than the?
Yeah.
How are you gonna fit all that furniture?
Mommy's giving you boss and not.
Where are you gonna put that?
Yeah.
No, he's spinning now.
Just his bed. Now I'm
Even the office is cold.
Yeah, he's so
But you know
tired.
what? Now it's getting warmer outside, so it's
Yeah.
even worth it. It's gonna be a nice weekend too.
Yeah, it's in the 50s.